Okay, so Caddx Polar first night flight. Let's see what we got. Definitely looks good. Definitely better than the regular DJI cam. It's super humid out, so I probably got some condensation on the lens. But yeah, look at this detail. This would totally not be flyable with the regular Caddx camera or the Nebula. I mean, look at that, the tree. Seems to do really well transitioning too, from a lot of light to not a lot of light. I'm coming in over the field. You can see this is a pretty dark area here.
1 minute.
See if I point it at the light and then go away. Oh yeah. Alright, now if we go up over the field, this is like pitch black now. So in situations where there's no light, it is definitely, you know, you can only do so much with the looms that you got. But definitely, we're 2 hours past sunset now, and you can see the sky. It's still showing a little bit of the remnants of sun or reflected light. I mean, this is a huge improvement over the standard DJI cam, that's for sure.
2 minutes.
Let's see. Bring it down. I'll try to go back here where there's almost no light. Oh yeah, you can see it picking up. Look at whatever little bit of light that it has. I mean, it is pitch black back here. I won't say that's unflyable, but that is definitely pretty sketchy. I think definitely in an area where you have more ambient lighting, like over here by the buildings, I think this, even with the DJI cam, would have been unflyable, or in any parts that weren't directly lit, you would have zero visibility. But this really isn't bad at all. Totally flyable, totally flyable. Let's gotta watch the battery here. But yeah, even in this area where it's pitch black, I can still see the outlines of the trees and the light that shines through them. That's a huge improvement. I don't know if this is quite as good as, this might be better than analog starlight. I mean, this is pretty amazing. Okay, we're getting low on battery. We better bring it back.
4 minutes.